Ignore my birds feeding each other. But something kind of funny but mostly sad that I see with Shimmer and Star is that Shimmer can't fly, but Star can. And until Shimmer met Star, he didn't even know birds could fly. He's never had a chance to grow out his flight feathers, and all the other birds that the breeder had also never had a chance to grow out their flight feathers. So he's never been flighted or seen a flighted bird. So when Star starts to fly around the room, he gets so confused. And then he will try to fly. He'll start jumping and flapping his wings, but of course he won't take off, and it's sad to watch because he gets upset that he can't fly. But I'm letting his wings grow out, so soon he'll be able to fly with Star.
Well, she was very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
This is a hyacinth macaw. They are native to Brazil, and they're really cute. And they have really strong beaks. And this is a macadamia nut, and they're really hard to open. And I want to see how long it takes for her to open this. Gotta put it in the bowl. Oh damn, she did it.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Okay, guys, I seen this thing where like this girl has a parrot and she can like scream into a cup and then he'll scream into a cup. So I thought we'll just try and do it. Okay, so oh. 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 Yeah. Again. Oh. Yeah. And the sound. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Când filmezi cu un papagal, trebuie să-i respecti și lui dorințele, pentru că de foarte multe ori nu o să stai așa cum vrei tu. Ce vrei să faci? Să ne pupăm, ne pupăm, eu înțeleg că ne pupăm, eu. Hai, gata, dă-te.
No. 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 No, 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 no.
Chanel back. Say hello, Chanel. Say hello to everybody. So thank you, everybody. Happy Monday, everybody. It's Chanel.
What was that? Did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina, do you like them? You crazy.
you.